What's the meaning of coil? Coil. Coil.
Coil. Coil. The word coil can have multiple meanings depending on the context. Generally, it refers to a length of material wound into a spiral or helix shape. This can apply to many items such as springs, ropes, and wires. Coiling something can provide tension or create a more compact shape. In electrical engineering, a coil refers to a wire wound into a spiral that produces a magnetic field. This magnetic field can be utilized in various applications such as motors and generators. Overall, coil describes a shape and the characteristics associated with that shape.